Hey everyone, welcome back to BioSchool. This is Gayatri. In today's session, we are going to learn about law of independent assortment, and this is the third law of inheritance. So we have discussed what is law of dominance and law of segregation. In case if you missed that video, you will get the link in the description box down below. So let's get started and know in details about law of independent assortment. What is law of independent assortment is about? Law of independent assortment, it says genes for the different traits assert independent of each other during gamete formation. So let's understand part by part. Genes for different traits. Different traits means two different traits. So can you please tell me, it is monohybrid cross or it is about dihybrid cross? Yes, you are right. It is about dihybrid cross. In dihybrid cross, two different traits are studied. In monohybrid cross, only single trait is studied. In dihybrid cross, two different traits are studied. So let's take two different traits. So one trait is seed shape and other trait is seed color. The seed shape, it may be round or wrinkled. Seed color, it is yellow and green. Okay, so here the dominant character, dominant is round and the recessive is wrinkled. Yellow is dominant and green is recessive. Okay, so this one is the different traits. The different genes for different traits assert independent of each other during gamete formation. Okay, let's say this part also. So we have to cross. Let's say the gene for yellow color will take capital Y, then the green one is the small y. Similarly, round seed will take capital R and wrinkled seed will take the small r. So let's cross capital Y, capital R, cross with small y, small r. It will cross. What it says? During gamete formation, okay, the genes will independent assert with each other. Okay, that means during gamete formation, this Y it may come with this R, or this Y it may comes with this R. Similarly here, this Y it may come with this R or it may come with this R. Means during the gamete formation, the genes they will assert or they will arrange independent of each other. Okay, there is no specific pattern that this Y it will come with this R and this one it will come with this R. There is no specific pattern. Okay, they will assert independent of each other during gamete formation. Similar here, this Y it may comes with this R or this one maybe comes with this R. Okay, so there is no specific pattern. This is also may come with this R, maybe with this R. Okay, so here during the gamete formation, the genes they arrange, okay, or they assert independent of each other. That is about the law of independent assortment. In F1 generation, so the gamete it will be capital Y, capital R. Similarly here, the small y, small r. These are gametes. Let's cross them. So in F1 generation, what we will get? Capital Y, capital R, small r. This is a F1 generation. Okay, and what will be its phenotype? The dominant allele, it will express its character, so it will be yellow, round. Then self cross the F1. So these are the genes for two different traits. Okay, one gene it is for the seed color and this one is the round is seed shape. So here this is the gene for the two different traits. Okay, and the genes for two different traits they assert independent of each other during gamete formation. Let's say if they will cross, then there will be the formation of gamete. So here you will find 4 different type of gamete. Okay, one, it will be capital Y with capital R, or the capital Y, it comes with the small r, small y, capital R, small y, small r. So here the law of independent assortment, it says the genes for 2 different traits, okay, they assert independent of each other during gamete formation. Okay, this is about the law of independent assortment. So here also during gamete formation, the genes will assert or they will arrange independent of each other. Okay, so what will we get here? You will also get the same capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small r, small y, capital R, small y and small r. Let's do the cross. So where the capital Y and capital R are present, they will be yellow and round. So here also capital Y and capital R present, that means yellow round. This is also yellow round. This is also yellow and round. This one is also yellow round. This is also yellow and round. So let's write down yellow round phenotype. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, 9 yellow and round phenotype. Let's go for the others. This is yellow but smaller. Smaller means wrinkled. Okay, so this is yellow and wrinkled. This is also yellow but wrinkled, and this one is also yellow and wrinkled. So how many yellow wrinkled? It is 3. Okay, let's write down. This one is green and round. Small y, capital R. Small y means green color, capital R means round. This is also green and round. This is also green and round. Let's write down green and round. Green round is also 3. And the last one, it is green and wrinkled because both are in recessive. So in the dihybrid cross, what is the phenotypic ratio? Is 9:3:3:1. Okay, it is the phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross. In monohybrid cross, the ratio is 3:1. The phenotypic ratio is 3:1, but here the phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. And this genotypic ratio. So this is the genotypic ratio for dihybrid cross. So let me write down the genotypic ratio for dihybrid cross. It is 1:2:2:4. 1:2:1:2:1. Okay, so this is the genotypic ratio for dihybrid cross. So this is all about law of independent assortment. In the next session, we will solve some previous year CSR net questions from laws of inheritance. So till then, keep learning.